A driver struck and killed a Good Samaritan last Friday after he stopped to pick up debris from an earlier crash at Highway 63 and Avenue 392 in Cutler. Marin Apodaca was headed to work early Friday when he came upon a two-vehicle crash. He stopped to help the drivers involved and bent over to pick up a piece of plywood in the roadway. That's when an oncoming Toyota struck him. The 50-year-old Cutler man died at the scene. The driver who hit him told authorities that he didn't see the man in the roadway. Unfortunately, this is not uncommon. Good Samaritans frequently stop to help others involved in traffic accidents. However, sometimes our busy California highways and intersections are just too dangerous. That was the case here. My condolences go out to the family of the man who died in this horrible crash. Over the years, I've handled numerous personal injury and wrongful death claims for victims or their families due to all types of traffic collisions. I find this particular incident especially tragic because the man was just trying to do the right thing and offer help to others. It's commendable that there are so many people who stop to help others, but those who do this should take steps to protect themselves. You just never know what the individual in another vehicle is going to do. Good Samaritans do have some protection under California law. You may have heard about a case 20 years ago when a woman pulled another woman from a wrecked car. The Good Samaritan thought the car might catch on fire and pulled the victim out of the crashed vehicle. However, the woman became paralyzed and she sued her rescuer, saying it was her actions that paralyzed her legs and not the collision. The courts decided moving a crash victim to safety is not medical care, and therefore she was not protected. After this case, there were concerns that people would no longer help victims. So the California legislature decided to revisit the law and renew protections for Good Samaritans. The law was updated to add protections for rendering medical and non-medical care to the law. Without this Good Samaritan law in place, bystanders would be afraid to act and help someone who is suffering from a personal injury. People might not save another person's life. However, keep in mind that the law does have a caveat that the rescuer is not protected if he or she commits an act or omission constituting gross negligence or willful or wanton misconduct. I encourage you to stop and help someone in need. But please don't put yourself in harm's way. The best thing you can do is call 911 for help. I hope this information is helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or a topic you would like me to cover, and subscribe for more content like this.